हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुड फॉर यू। आज की वीडियो काफ़ी स्पेशल होने वाली है बिकॉज आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लेके आऊँ रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। स्पेशली अगर आप पावर बीआई डोमेन में जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं एज अ पावर बीआई स्पेशलिस्ट, कंसल्टेंट और डेवलपर रोल के लिए। इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे और रिव्यू करेंगे किन लोकेशंस पे जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द की रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ अ पावर बीआई डेवलपर, skills these companies are looking for, and at the end how we can apply for these job opportunities. वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह एंड आई वर्क एज अ मैनेजर इन रिसर्च एनालिटिक्स डोमेन एट अ लीडिंग यूएस बेस्ड एमएनसी, एंड आई ऑल्सो वर्क एज अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट हु इज पैशनेट अबाउट हेल्पिंग जॉब सीकर्स टू फाइंड द राइट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी। तो अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैनल पर विजिट कर रहे हैं, मेक श्योर आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन से रिलेटेड जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहें, और आप मेरे फेसबुक और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम चैनल को भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे आपको डेली बेसिस पे जॉब अपडेट्स मिलते रहते हैं अलॉन्ग विद सम करियर डेवलपमेंट टिप्स और इंटरव्यू टिप्स एज वेल। आप रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स, कैसे आप इन जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उनसे भी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक एंड शेयर बटन, बिकॉज योर वन लाइक कीप्स मी मोटिवेटेड टू प्रिपेयर न्यू वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू दीज डोमेन्स. Or you can reach me out through my mail ID callcentertalks26@gmail.com. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the job opportunities. First company in the list is CS Group, hiring for Power BI intern, location Hyderabad, salary 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per annum, experienced freshers. Key roles and responsibilities: analyze the data and perform detailed data validation by comparing multiple systems using Microsoft Excel. Document the result of analysis in Microsoft Excel and other reporting tools like Power BI and SSRS. Also provide recommendations to IT BI team on possible ways to provide data for faster and efficient QA process. Faster learning of IT tools and technologies and willingness to spend extra hours for self-learning, and a strong computer literacy experience with Microsoft Office products and reporting tool would be a plus. Skills for the job post: if you have recently completed a master's degree in engineering, computer science, or similar, then you can apply for the job post. Technical skills: a strong technical knowledge of personal computers, strong organization skills, able to multitask and prioritize work. Knowledge of databases and any BI tool would be preferred. And again, if you have a strong computer literacy in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, then you are eligible for this job position. You can click on this link and you can apply for this internship opportunity. Next company in the list is Adobe, hiring for BI associate, location Noida and Bangalore, experience 3 years, salary would be negotiable. Key responsibilities: collaborate with the business users to elicit business requirements pertaining to applications and business reporting, dashboards, ad hoc analysis, etc. System integration of heterogeneous data sources and working on technologies used in the design, development, testing, and deployment. Also create technical documents, architecture, designs, and data flow diagrams. Implement source code versioning, standard methodology, and processes for ensuring data and code quality. And collaborate with business partners, application developers, and the technical team. Educational qualification: a bachelor's degree in economics, data science, computer science, mathematics, or related field. Desired skills: hands-on experience in designing, developing, and maintaining ETL processes, building and optimizing databases, OLAP schemas, and public objectives, attributes, facts, metrics, etc. Strong expertise in performance tuning and query optimization. If you have a prior working experience with Azure and AWS, then that would be advantageous. Also familiar with Python or PySpark and Databricks. And if you have these required skills, technical skills, you are also comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location, you can click on this link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is TerraLogic, hiring for Power BI developer, location Bangalore, experience 1 to 3 years, salary would be up to 8 lakhs per annum. Key responsibilities: we are seeking Power BI developers to support business intelligence and dashboard development efforts. This role will focus on creating intuitive and performance optimized visual reports and dashboards using Power BI, working closely with stakeholders to meet data visualization needs. So they are looking for, I guess, for multiple Power BI developers. They have number of openings in Power BI developer domain. So if you have minimum 1 year of experience, then you can review this job opportunity. Skills and qualification: completed bachelor's or master's degree. Desired skills: experience creating and optimizing dashboards and interactive reports. Understanding of row-level security and Power BI services. Ability to interpret and translate business needs into effective visualization. Familiarity with connecting to data sources such as SQL Server, Synapses, or Excel. And basic understanding of performance tuning and visual optimization techniques. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is Alexion, hiring for BI developer, location Bangalore, salary best in the industry, experience 2 years. Key responsibilities inclusive of cloud data, Google Analytics, media data, third-party marketing campaigns, website-related data. Also understand the business objectives, data sources, and key performance indicators to design effective solution. Design, develop, and maintain data pipelines to extract, transform, and load. Implement advanced analytics and predictive modeling techniques to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities. And conduct ad hoc analysis and deep dives into digital marketing data to address specific business questions. Skills and qualifications for the job post: background in computer science, information system, or related field. Desired skills: 2+ years of experience in excellent analytical and critical thinking skills, strong communication and interpersonal skills, and recent project experience with Qlik Power BI or experience with other BI tools. And if you have these technical skills, you're also good to go with key roles and responsibilities. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Rolls-Royce, hiring for Power BI developer, location Bangalore, experience 3 to 4 years, salary would be 8 to 17 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: develop analytics solution, validate output from data analytics, and balance this with knowledge and understanding from stakeholders to provide decision support to customers. Assess and develop future capabilities and technologies relevant for big data and predictive analytics, working with state-of-the-art tools, assess future trends, and develop services. Enable the ongoing creation, translation, and consumption of data-driven insights to help Rolls-Royce and our customer make better decisions. Contribute to the development or implementation of applications that demonstrate and illustrate the impact of data science on computer operations. So these are some key roles and responsibilities of a Power BI developer in this organization. And if I talk about educational qualification, degree equivalent of Bachelor of Technology and an overall 3 years of industry experience. Technical skills: good experience of Tableau, Power BI preferred stack, experience of working with Azure and Azure deployed solutions, experience with DevOps. Also exposure to alternate visualization tools is desirable, knowledge of Python, well versed with SDLC process, and experience in using Git, VSTS, etc. So if you have these technical skills, experience, or good knowledge of these technical skills, you're also good to go with key roles and responsibilities. You can click on this link and you can apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is New Page, hiring for Power BI analyst, location remote, salary 8 to 17 lakhs per annum, and experience 3 to 5 years. Key roles and responsibilities: develop and maintain interactive dashboards and reports using Power BI to visualize KPIs, translate complex business requirements into clear and insightful data visualization, create compelling data stories to communicate findings to stakeholders, and collaborate with business stakeholders to understand their data needs and provide relevant insights. Skills and qualification: degree in computer science, computer engineering, or equivalent. Desired skills: a strong ability to translate data into actionable insights and tell a compelling story. Excellent communication skills with the ability to work with both technical and business teams. Experience with Snowflake and SQL, Tableau would be a plus, and experience with Adobe Analytics would be a plus. And if you are interested for this remote job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. So friends, these were some of the current job opportunities for the role of Power BI developer. I hope you find this video helpful. If it added value to your job search, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And make sure to subscribe for regular updates on job openings related to data science, analytics, Power BI, or business analytics domain. And you can also share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.